It's hard to leave.
It was so beautiful. So safe. I loved it.
When you reach the Simorg, you will love and be loved, and you won't ever have to leave. We have to land here.
Where on earth are we?
Wherever you'd like to be. But you have to find your own way.
More riddles.
One thing's certain. We're on the right road to the Simorg.
The right road? But there are hundreds.
Yes, a different one for each and every one of us. But all going to the same place.
Which one's mine?
You're in luck. Today, yours is with me.
Duck, where are you going?
She's gone to find the Simorg.
Typical Duck. She always knows best.
Will she find him?
If she doesn't forget where she's heading.
Oh, I'm glad we're with you, Hoopoe.
Wait for me!
Hoopoe.
I've never flown as high as this before.
I don't like it. Oh, we'll soon be in space.
Exactly.
What?
You're leaving your safe little world behind, my friends. Cutting yourself off from everything you know. It's a great adventure. Don't be afraid.
But we could fall.
Not if you trust in the Simorg. With the Simorg, we are all one.
Oh no! It's hot. It's cold.
I don't like this place, Hoopoe.
It makes us look odd. I can't recognise you.
I can't recognize myself.
That's because you and I are not important. There is no me, just we.
Who am I? What's happening, Al?
Don't ask me. I don't know anything.
Let's go, Hoopoe.
All right. If you're sure you're ready, I know just the place.
Where?
There.
The sea?
I don't like the sea.
You won't get me into it.
I can't, Hoopoe.
You can. This is the last lap. Just dive in. Lose yourselves in the water. Trust in the Simorg.
I can't.
Oh well, I'll just have to go on my own.
It's all right for them. They like the horrible thing.
Why am I doing this? Will someone please tell me?
Wait for me! Oh, we've arrived.
We've arrived.
Fourteen, 15, 16, 28, 29, 30.
Yes. Oh, it's you again.
And I've brought some friends.
Hoopoe, I'm very busy.
But we've come such a long way.
And you're very tired. And you want to see the Simorg. I've heard it all so many times.
Would you please let us in?
Would you please be sensible? All of you, be sensible and go home.
Go home. I'm not going home. We're not going home, are we?
We're not going home. Not until we've seen the Simorg. We haven't come all this way to turn back now. Let us in now.
Oh, all right. A special favour, mind. Just this once, and you'd better behave yourselves. Now, follow me.
Wait for us. I am this mirror. Study what you see.
For I am also you, and you are me.
You 30 tired birds, no more, no less,
have travelled all this way to find success.
You flew with me, through me, under my wing, and together we won. You found your king.
And smile you shall, and be yourselves again, forever free from misery and pain.